and let's see how this connection is. I had a little break. I'm on this incredible retreat right now. And one of the messages that I just got as I was just sitting outside here with myself, really just taking in all this juiciness, is you are your own best medicine. You are your own best medicine. And where does this come from? This comes from your sounds, your breath, your magic. So when you give yourself that opportunity to like really full on sing from your heart and not be judging yourself, and really learning how powerful you can be when you get out of your head, when you're like, I'm right here, I'm right in my body, and I'm in my heart space, and this feels so good. And this morning when I was singing, I was feeling this feeling in my heart like, wow, this is bliss. This is pure bliss. Out, and it all comes from here. When you really start to receive that you are your own best medicine, and it comes through letting all of that been holding on to that maybe you haven't felt safe enough to express because you haven't been in that space where it's like, I can let this come out. You start to feel all this ease start to move through your body, and then you don't have to hold on to tension, and then you can allow yourself to receive even more joy. So own that you are your own best medicine. Last night I posted a link. So if you want to take advantage, I'm only accepting 20 people in this free opportunity that's happening on Monday night. Take advantage of this because it's going to be so beautiful, and it's really going to allow you to decide that you're going to give yourself back to yourself. So come join me, sign up. There's a link in the post from last night, and maybe I'll put a link in here in the comments below so that you can have this opportunity. And if this resonates with you, amazing. And if it doesn't, maybe somebody else it will. So please feel free to share it. Sending you so much love, so much sunshine. Just take in your medicine, take in your own medicine. It's like, when do we give ourselves that opportunity? Like we start to like really, you gave yourself back to yourself. I love you so much. I'll see you soon. Join me on Monday. Bye.